Hey everyone, it's Joey from the Wildwood Video Archive and the Wildwood Boardwalk Facebook page, and today I'm standing outside the brand new McDonald's here in Wildwood. As soon as you come in right over the bridge, it's right here. For a while we have been reporting on all the new construction that's taking place here. Of course, there used to be a different McDonald's here, then they knocked it down. There's tons of drone footage I put together for you guys, and finally it's open. We can finally take you guys around. Now before I do, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. Now, we have been reporting on this new McDonald's for a while now. It seems like 6 months ago we brought to your attention that they were closing it and going to put in a new one. And then from there we reported that the firemen were going inside and kind of testing and using their skills to kind of get more practice on how to put out grease fires, which was really cool. Then we showed you guys drone footage of them actually ripping it down. Here's a clip of that. And then of course we've been coming back every 3 weeks to a month just to go ahead and kind of give you an update on the construction. Now I know that they had planned for it to open by Memorial Day, and of course things did not work out that way, but we did finally get this open about a week ago. And what's really cool is that, as promised, they made sure to make this very doo-woppy. Now I know a lot of you guys are saying, wait, we've seen the pictures inside, it's not doo-woppy. I'm not really referring to the inside being doo-woppy. What I'm referring to are these archways. That's right, the golden arches. Remember, when McDonald's first came in, they were known for their golden archways. And when they built those original ones, they all had archways just like this, the doo-wop style, as we call it down here in Wildwood. And to keep with the doo-wop feel that Wildwood has, they decide to build this McDonald's with the archways, which they do light up at night, and we'll come back and kind of show you guys in this video. Now, as far as I know, there's only about 5 or 6 McDonald's that still have the archways in them, some of them being the original, like this one here. So it is very unique and very iconic to get these archways here in Wildwood. Now let me go ahead and tour around the building, and then we'll go inside. Now, as you guys can see behind me, this McDonald's does have 2 drive-thrus, which is very, very important that I'm pointing this out, because you'll notice inside it's a bit smaller. I'm assuming that McDonald's wants everyone to kind of go through the drive-thru. I mean, it makes sense, you don't have to get out of your car, but they did make this entire section a lot bigger. So there's our tour around the building. Let's go inside now. So guys, that was the inside. I want to know in the comment section below, what do you think of it? I mean, personally, I think it's a little bit small for what we need, but I think the touchscreens are pretty cool. The new counters are really different, and it's kind of strange on how they have that one wall there and then the kitchen's like on the right-hand side. Oh, and the other thing I found interesting is that it doesn't smell like McDonald's inside. I don't know if it's because maybe it's new construction or what. I mean, it smells kind of, has no smell to it. It's kind of weird. Normally you smell the French fries, but I don't as much. Now, I have a few minutes, so I figured, why not throw the drone into the sky? Obviously, it's going to be a little bit harder now that the parking lot's open, but maybe I'll raise a drone up in the corner, and we'll see what kind of videos we can get. So there you guys go. I want to know what you guys think of it. Do you like it? Do you hate it? What do you wish they changed inside or outside? Comment below, and I want to thank you guys for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. As always, I'm Joey. I'll see you on the beach. See ya.